Salamat sa mga nag-stay sa baba. Hi! Hello! How are you? Good afternoon. Because it's 12 noon here in the Philippines from Korea. Mega mega love shout out to you there. Thank you for coming. I gave you moderator. Okay, ayan, you have moderator, Said. Said Yaghefe. Ayan, you have moderator now. Ayan, please drop your link. Why? Why? I'm not good. Here is so bad. Why? Tell me. Why? Tell me why? Thank you for coming, okay? Thank you for the support. Thank you so much. This is your main channel? Yeah, Sasid Yaghefai. This is your main channel? Thank you for coming. Are you from Korea? North Korea. Mega love shout out to all of you there in North Korea. Shout out to you. And good